Tired of feeling like your money is running a marathon without you? Then stick around because in the next 90 seconds, we're breaking down exactly what Quicken Simplifi is used for. First off, Simplifi is your budgeting best friend. It automatically tracks your spending habits, categorizing every transaction so you can see exactly where your money is going. Think of it as a magnifying glass for your expenses, revealing hidden leaks in your budget. You can easily create personalized spending plans, set targets for different categories like groceries, transportation, or entertainment, and Simplifi will alert you when you're nearing your limits, helping you stay on track and avoid overspending. Beyond budgeting, Simplifi keeps a close eye on your investments, link your brokerage accounts, and monitor your portfolio performance in real time. This feature provides a consolidated view of your financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions about your investment strategy. Never miss a bill payment again. Simplifi's bill tracking feature sends reminders for upcoming payments, helping you avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. You can link your accounts and see all upcoming bills in one place. Simplifi also generates insightful reports and summaries of your financial data. These reports provide a bird's-eye view of your income, expenses, and net worth, empowering you to make smarter financial decisions based on data. In short, Quicken Simplifi simplifies personal finance by providing an intuitive platform to budget, track expenses, monitor investments, and manage bills all in one place so you can achieve your financial goals with less stress and more clarity.